Welcome to Review Rumble. The best smart thermostats are probably one of the most impactful additions you can make to your home, offering a blend of convenience, energy savings, and sophisticated control that traditional thermostats simply can't match. Imagine adjusting your home's temperature from anywhere using your smartphone, or having your thermostat learn your schedule and preferences to optimize heating and cooling automatically, leading to significant reductions in your energy bills and a more comfortable living environment. These devices are not just about setting a temperature, they're about creating an intelligent ecosystem that adapts to your lifestyle and contributes to a more sustainable home. Number 5. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste 500G. Introducing the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste. It's your go-to solution for tackling tough messes around your home. Effortlessly clean your kitchen counters, bathroom tiles, and shower screens. This paste cuts through grease and grime with ease. From sinks to ovens and even stainless steel, achieve a brilliant shine. It effectively removes stubborn stains without harsh scrubbing. Don't let grease and grime get you down. This powerful cleaner handles it all, leaving surfaces spotless. Discover the cleaning power that everyone is talking about. Make your home sparkle with this multi-purpose wonder. What we like. Tired of stubborn grease and grime? This cleaner tackles it all, from kitchen grease to bathroom soap scum. If you're looking for a powerful, all-in-one solution that leaves surfaces sparkling, this is the one for you. It's perfect for busy households that need a quick and effective clean. What people say. The Pink Stuff's cleaning paste boasts an incredible cleaning action that easily removes stubborn stains and grime from bathroom tiles and grouts. It is not only perfect for bathroom tiles and grouts but also works wonders on other surfaces throughout the house. I've used it on sinks, countertops, stovetops, and even outdoor furniture with equally remarkable results. Using the Pink Stuff is a breeze. I simply apply a small amount of the paste onto a damp cloth or sponge and gently scrub the tiles and grouts. The paste adheres well to the surface, ensuring maximum cleaning power. What's even more impressive is how quickly I saw results. In just a few minutes of cleaning, the difference was evident, and my bathroom looked noticeably cleaner. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Row and Ride. Enhance your squat technique with this compact machine. It allows for a deeper range of motion while engaging your entire body. It's a trusted, all-in-one solution for both cardio and strength. Achieve a powerful, full-body workout with just one movement. This ergonomic machine effectively targets your glutes, quads, hamstrings, core, back, and shoulders for low-impact training at home. Connect your trainer to the free SunnyFit app for guided workouts and real-time tracking. Access AI-powered plans, global workout tours, and an exclusive community led by top trainers. Tailor your workout with multiple pin-lock positions for deep, mid-level, or neutral squats. This versatile setup supports a balanced routine that fits your personal goals. Challenge yourself with 3 built-in resistance bands, providing up to 66 pounds of total resistance. It's perfect for scaling your workouts, whether you're a beginner or advanced. This compact machine folds easily for quick storage, making it ideal for home gyms, apartments, or small spaces. It's lightweight and simple to move when not in use. Engineered for durability, this trainer supports up to 330 pounds. It's built for long-term performance and reliability, suitable for all fitness levels. What we like. Want to get a great workout at home without taking up too much space? This machine offers a fantastic full-body workout, targeting major muscle groups. If you value connected fitness with guided workouts and need a foldable design for easy storage, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for apartment dwellers or anyone with limited home gym space. What people say. Squats are what they should be without any of the instability or joint damage that used to be all I got from trying. The row and ride is light, quick and easy to assemble, and the app is absolutely wonderful. This is way better than I thought. This comes set as the most intense, highest resistance mode. But by changing the seat post height and reducing from 3 to 1 the connection of the resistance bands, I can now absolutely use this as a more regular cardio device. It still kicks my butt, but much closer to standard cardio. This seems like a stable, easy-to-use upright rowing machine. Setup took about 25 minutes, and even though some of the written instructions were vague, the accompanying illustrations made things clear. Number 3. DERMORA Golden Glow Under Eye Patches. Discover the secret to a refreshed and revitalized look. Our golden glow under-eye patches are designed to rejuvenate your delicate under-eye area. Tired of dark circles and puffy eyes? These patches work to visibly reduce their appearance, leaving you looking more awake and rested. Gently smooth away the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Achieve a more youthful and supple look with consistent use. Experience a refreshing and revitalizing treatment anytime, anywhere. They provide an instant boost of hydration and brightness. These convenient eye gels are perfect for your travel bag. Refresh your eyes after a long journey or before an important meeting. Each pack contains 20 pairs of our effective eye gels. Enjoy long-lasting care for your under-eye concerns. What we like. Dealing with tired-looking eyes? These patches are designed to rejuvenate and refresh. If you're looking for a quick and effective way to combat dark circles and puffiness, especially after a long day or while traveling, these are a must-have. They offer a revitalizing boost for your under-eye area. What people say. Individual wrap so product does not dry out. Adheres to skin very well. Cooling effect helps the puffiness. Very effective for a quick fix. Patches stay on and reduce eye puffiness after use. These eye masks contain both natural plant extracts and man-made elements. I have extremely sensitive, very fair skin and I did not have any irritation or redness after using the masks. The eye masks are not a magical, miracle cure, but for me they do deflate the puffiness, swelling and help reduce the appearance of dark skin under my eyes. Number 2. The Legend of Zelda Link Sword. Step into the shoes of a hero with this authentic replica of the iconic Master Sword. It's the perfect accessory for any fan of The Legend of Zelda. This is an officially licensed prop, ensuring you have a genuine piece of the Zelda universe. It's crafted from durable, injection-molded plastic for long-lasting adventures. Carry your legendary weapon with ease. It comes complete with a sheath, making it convenient to wield and display during all your cosplay events. Experience the quality of this meticulously crafted replica. Its design captures the essence of the hero's strength, bringing the world of Ocarina of Time to life. Whether you're dressing up as Link or adding to your collection, this is a must-have item. Its realistic design makes it a standout piece for any enthusiast. Make your next Halloween or cosplay event legendary with this striking replica. It's also perfect for displaying proudly as part of your cherished collection. What we like. Are you a fan of Hyrule and ready for adventure? This accessory is an officially licensed replica, perfect for bringing your favorite hero to life. If you need a high-quality, safe prop for cosplay, Halloween, or just for display, this is the ultimate choice. It's designed for fans who want to embody the spirit of the hero. What people say. The sword is lightweight, which makes it easy for them to swing around, but it is also surprisingly durable and holds up well to all the heroic battles. The sword is lightweight but sturdy. It looks just like the sword in the game, and it is top 2 most loved toys I've ever bought for my child. Number 1. RIBAO BC55 Premium Money Counter. Introducing the RIBAO BC55, a premium, bank-grade money counter designed for efficiency and accuracy. It handles multiple currencies with ease, providing detailed breakdowns of your cash. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, including dual CIS sensors, it meticulously scans both sides of each bill. This ensures superior counterfeit detection, protecting your business from losses. Experience seamless operation with its user-friendly 3.5-inch touchscreen and intuitive interface. It counts bills at an impressive speed, even those that are worn or slightly damaged. This device offers various working modes, including mixed denomination and multi-currency counting, auto-currency recognition, and sorting options. It's perfect for a wide range of businesses. Never lose track of your transactions again. It can record, print, or output serial numbers for enhanced tracking and auditing purposes. We provide local after-sales support and software updates to ensure you always have the best experience. A dust cover is also included for added protection. What we like. Handling a lot of cash across different currencies. This machine offers advanced counterfeit detection and can count mixed denominations simultaneously. If you need to streamline your cash processing, ensure accuracy, and keep detailed records with serial number tracking, this is the professional solution. It's perfect for businesses that deal with high volumes of diverse currency. What people say. The RIBAO is nicely intuitive to use, no steep learning curve here, truly as plug and play as you can get in this type of equipment. I have yet to encounter any problem with the count, either the total or the line total for any of the denominations, or misidentifying the denomination of a note. So again, I would say the machine is 5 out of 5 in accuracy, and its ability to handle less than perfect legal tender makes counting large amounts of money easy and quick. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.